How to do transitions in Capcut Mobile. But before I get into the video, hit the subscribe button. Let's get into it. Import the two videos you want to put the transition on into your Capcut Mobile. As soon as you have that done, slide the video on your timeline to where the two videos you uploaded intersected. And you're going to see a white box with a black vertical line in between the two videos. Tap on that white box. And you're going to see a menu of different transitions from Capcut. Look for the one you like. I'm going to go for the Bond Portal transition. And it has showed me the preview. I like it, so I'm going to tap the tick good sign. Go ahead and play it again.